Something big is coming to Bangalore. You all know dentistry is evolving faster than ever before. The dentists who upgrade their clinical skills today will lead tomorrow. But real confidence in dentistry does not come from theory alone. It comes from accepting challenging cases, practicing hands-on procedures, and learning in the right environment. Since 2012, the Asian Institute of Advanced Dentistry (AIAD) in Hyderabad has been empowering dentists with advanced clinical training, with advanced infrastructure, expert mentorship, and structured hands-on program. At the end of the program, dentists not just graduate with a certificate, but with the confidence to perform advanced procedures and to build their own successful clinics. Now, AIAD is coming to Bangalore, a new destination for dentists who are ready to upgrade their skills. Your next step starts here. We are AIAD. Admissions open. Enroll now.